And so we have developed a series to help us to identify the kinds of things that are causing our fight or flight to run continually. And then we have a strategy to help us to learn to identify when the fight or flight is running and then how to turn it off. So I want to just say briefly, there's three major issues that can help us to turn off our fight or flight. And the more childhood stress we've experienced, the more it's important for us to focus on these things. But in short, there's three basic elements that are really helpful in jumping right into solving the problem. One, quantifiable hydration or measurable hydration. That's different for everyone, but we oftentimes think we're hydrated when we're really not. Dehydration then triggers the fight or flight perpetually and causes problems. Number two, Navy SEAL breathing. There's all different kinds of breathing techniques, but using those breathing techniques regularly and in a way that it shuts off the fight or flight. Basically, what happens is these breathing techniques, while the air is helpful, the movement of our body as we're breathing triggers a nerve that goes up to our brain that resets our fight or flight. So measurable hydration, Navy SEAL breathing or abdominal breathing, and the last is brain games. Giving our brains something to do to trick us out of focusing on the past or the future. Our tendency when we're in fight or flight is to constantly process how we can protect ourselves or what we should have done differently. And so to get out of that thinking, which is oftentimes very unproductive, you give yourself a brain game. There's all different kinds of brain games. One is what do you see? What do you smell? What can you touch? What do you taste? And it forces you to think about what's happening presently. Another one that's really good is what am I thankful for? So what I'll do during the day is I will, one, am I hydrated? Two, take some breathing, take some re-regulating breathing. And then three, take a minute and just think about what am I thankful for? And it forces me to be present where I can solve problems, where I can enjoy life, where I can be content. And cheering for your success. Thank you.